Hey guys, welcome to a Gyrotech. And before we step into this part one of this so many series, I just want to remind you that this is my YouTube channel and you can do well to subscribe on it. All you have to do is hit on the subscribe button and you can get more updates on new videos anytime. So let's jump back to this series one, part one of the so many series we're talking about. Now you just bought a laptop. Yeah, and buying a laptop, there's so many things to do on a laptop. First of all, you want to talk about installation. You want to talk about um, running some settings and the likes of that. So in this video, we just do a preamble on the things you need when you buy a laptop. The first thing you need is you want to definitely install a web browser. So Google Chrome. All you have to do if you're going to, because at default you're not going to have Google Chrome, so you're going to have Edge. Okay, so you open the Microsoft Edge. Okay, not now, and you can search Google Chrome, download, and then it takes you to the site where you have to go to Google Chrome, and then you see a page like this, right? It's at your own system. It's going to show there's no place like Chrome. Download Chrome for Windows 11, 10, and depending on the system type you're using, it's going to show something like this. Okay. Now you can actually, when you've installed it, okay, done the installation, then the next thing will be you want to probably sync it. So you can come to your settings. You have to sign in, obviously. Sign in, obviously, and then you can do the syncing to whatever email you're using that on your phone or the likes of that. And you can also sync your Google service. Okay, you can run a lot of add-ons, right? And extensions on Chrome. Like I have so many extensions here, and what you have to do is you go to Chrome extension, the Chrome Web Store, and then you can um, pretty much download what look for what you're looking for. If you're looking for docs, it's you pretty much look for you can get whatever you're looking for here, and Teams, whatever thing you're looking for to put on your Chrome in terms of preventing you from being hacked or keeping your system safe. You have a lot of extensions. I have a lot of them like AdBlock, AdBlock, and we have Google Meet push to talk. I just tap on it. We have the Q box. We have Loom for my screen recording. So many of them that you can just walk away with in the web store. Okay. Now another thing is checking some things on your system, right? If you want to check some things on your system, for example, you could go to the control panel and you want to set your password. Okay. Now to set a password in the system, you go to user account. Um, Now in the user account, you can put this, and then you can um, type new things on it and the like, and you can make changes to my account. It takes you to this place. Okay, so on the account. So if you're using Windows 11 and above, all you have to do Windows 11 at the time of this recording, you can just go to settings, and then you can go to accounts. Now in the accounts, you can do signing options and you can choose a password. Now, if you want to put a pin, you have to put a password and then the pin becomes enabled, okay? And you can put a password, security keys. Um, for me, I'm using a pin, so that is that, okay? And well, it's like that. Then we have personalization. Sorry, we have personalization where you can work on the background, how you want the background to be. You can change in between to this, you can change to this, change to this, and pretty much like it. Okay, you can browse for photos if you choose to. If you have slick photos on your directory, you can browse for it, or you could just go with the default one. Okay, as the case may be. Um, that's for background. You could put the contract themes, but then we have colors, and you can choose the set of colors you want to do. I'm using dark mode. You could actually change it to lights if you want. Then we have themes, and you can play around with some themes here, and you could browse themes from the store. You can actually go to the store to browse more themes. It's taking a minute to load, and we're going to check it out. And you could lock screen, right? This is how your lock screen is going to be. How do you want it to be? You can use this lock screen, use this lock screen, you can use this lock screen, use this lock screen, this lock screen. So I'm just going to use this one. I think this is better. Yep. Um, yep. You can make it show the lock screen, background picture on the signing, screen timeouts, the timer you want in your screen to go off after it is powered on. Okay, you can put the screen on sleep, how many minutes you want it when it's powered, and when it's plugged in, it should turn off after 5 minutes. And when it's battery on battery power, you can turn off after 15 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna make it 10. Okay, what else are we to look in the series? If you're using a text input, you can navigate around it here, which of it you want. Okay, I prefer the black and white, and etc etc etc. Okay, touch keyboard, it shows you the size of the keyboard. Text screen, view your open keyboard. This is how it's going to show. So this is your keyboard for screen, and this is the touch screen, so you can actually play around with it. Okay, all right. Okay. And we have fonts. If you want to improve your fonts, if you want to make your font smaller, whatever, you can double around over here, and you can do that. Okay, so but I'm just gonna stick with the default one. You could get fonts in place in the Microsoft Store if you want to. Um, then in network and internet, yeah, you could here you see your mobile spots. Um, you could check the name, right? This is my the password, key, whatever, and you could edit it, and then you could use the name of your hotspot. So my name of my hotspot is going to be just Agile ND. I just want to make it small letters or true. Okay, and you can change your password as you wish. I'm just going to pause this and do that. Okay, so I've done that. Yeah, so I have to go back. So yep, and flight mode, Wi-Fi, and here you can choose the Wi-Fi you're connected with. Of course, connect with Wi-Fi, and you could change. You can check your if it's public, if it's private. Check that here. And you can check your data usage, right? You want to know how many um, how many gigabyte you're making use of in terms of your data usage. How many data usage have you